Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. So on iPhone we have only one option how to check it, is to create a widget. So we need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and add widget. Then scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it, and click at this line. Or you can use a search and write batteries here. And also tap at this line. Right here we have 3 presets. So select the best one for you and then click add widget. And we can check a battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. So as I said, this one is the only one option because these earbuds haven't dedicated app, so we cannot check it in the application, only by widget. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!